Good morning, guys. Now, today our continue chapter number 13, exponent and powers, exercise 13.1 from our textbook. Sum number 1, find the value of 2 raised to 6. So, how can we read this 2 raised to 6? 2 raised to 6. Okay, and 2 raised to 6 means we have to write 2 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to 6 means we have to write 2 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 32 2 is 62. Clear? Now, 9 raised to 3. 9 raised to 3. That means we have to write 9 3 times. 1, 2, 9 9s are 81 and 81 9s are, if you don't know then do multiplication. 9 9s are 81, multiply 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 8s are 720. Clear? 11 square. So 11 multiply 11. We have to do multiplication 11. So we will get answer 120. 5 raised to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 raised to 4 means 4 times. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. 5 5 is 25. 25 is 125. 125 is 620. So these all are the values of power and exponents. Now, sum number 2. Express the following in exponential form. See, this expand form given. This expand form given, and we have to convert this expand form into exponential form. So for that, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 6 came, so we can write 6 raised to 4. 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6, so we can write in exponential form like this: 6 raised to 4. T 2 times 1 and 2, so we can write t square. Now b multiply b multiply b multiply b 4 times, so we can write 1 2 3 4 b raised to 4. Now here 5 5 2 times, 7 7 7 3 times, so 5 2 times. So we can write 5 raised to 2 and 7 3 times. 7 raised to 3 times 7. Understood? Now this simple number 2 multiply a multiply a. 2 came 2 times. So we can write 2 raised to 2 and e came 2 times. So e raised to 2. Now here a came 3 times. So we can write 1 2 3 e raised to 3, and c came 4 times, so 1 2 3 4, and d 1 down. This is its exponential form. In sum number 3, express in exponential form. Express in exponential form of these all numbers. First number is 512. So first we have to make it factors. 512. This unit place number is even number, so we can divide this digit by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 remain 11, 2 5s are 10, 1 remain 12, 2 6s are 12. Now again 6, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 remains 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. So 512 equal, how many times 2 came here? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we can write 2 raised to 9. Is it clear? This is the exponential form, 2 raised to 9. Now 343. So 343. Beta, 343 is not divided by any number of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 7. We know that 7 number is divisible. 343 should be divisible by 7. The other number we can't divide. So 7, 32. 7 4 28. 34 minus 28 6. So that 6 we have to put here, so it will become 63. And 7 9s are 63. And 7 7s are 89. 7 1s are 7. So 343 equal to 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 came here 3 times, so we can write 7 raised to 3. Is it clear? Now 729. Yes, this unit place number is odd number, so we can divide this number by 3. Otherwise 9 plus 2 11 plus 7 18, and 18 should be divisible by 3. So this number can be divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 million 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 million 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, so 729. How many times 3 came? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 raised to 6. 3 is base and 6 is power. Now 3125. So first we have to make it factor. 3125. Yes. So first we have to observe here, this number should be divisible by 3. Yes or no? So for that we have to do addition of this number. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 3 11. So 11 is not divisible by 3. So we can't divisible by 3. So last unit place number is 5. So if last unit place number is 0 or 5, then that number should be divisible by 5. So here we have to start from first 5. 5 6 are 30. 1 remain 12. 5 1s are 10. 2 remain 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 1 remain 12. 5 2s are 10. 2 remain 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 2 remain 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 5. So here 3125 equal 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 3. So we can write 5 raised to 5. So this type of we can denote of exponential form of a number. Now this sum number 4. Identify the greater number. So first number in this first number, two numbers given, 4 cube and 3 raised to 4. This exponential two number given. From this both number, which number value is greater, we have to justify. So first number we will take first 4 cube. 4 cube. So we have to write 4 3 times. 4 cube means 4 3 times. 1 2 3. 4 4 is 16. 4 is 64. Clear? 64. Now 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4. 1 2 3 4. 3 raised to 4. So we have to write 3 4 times. 1 2 3 4. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81. Now from this both number, 81 is greater than 64. Yes, 81 is greater than 64. So 81 means we can write 3 raised to 4 is greater than 64 means 4. Clear? Now second number, first we will write this 5 cube. 5 cube, so we have to write 5 3 times. 5 further 25 is 125 and 3 raised to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiplication. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 20, 27, 3 is 81, 3 is 143. So here 5 cube or 3 raised to 5 cube value we got 125 and 3 raised to 5 value we got 243. From this both number 243 is greater than of 125. 243 is greater than 125. That means 3 raised to 5 is greater than 5 raised to 3. Very easy. Now this first number 2 raised to 8. 2 raised to 8. So we have to write 2 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Multiply. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to 32, 32 to the 64, 128 to the 256. Yes. And second number is 8 square. 8 square means 8 multiplied 8. 8 is the 64. Now that number is greater than of this number, so we can write 256 is greater than 64. And 256 means 2 raised to 8. So 2 raised to 8 is greater than 64 means 8 square. So from this both number 2 raised to 8 is greater than 8 square. Same concept number 4, 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 10. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Multiplication 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32, 64, 128, 256, 256 to the 104. 6 4 are 24, and 3 square 22, 1020. Yes. 1024 and these 2 will multiply 4 to the 8 to the 2048. Multiplication of 2 10 times. So 2048. Now the second is 10 square. 10 multiply 10. 10 multiply 10 is 100. Now that number is greater than of this number. So this 2 raised to 10 is greater than this 2. So this type of calculation we have to do for verify that which number is greater or which number is less. Now sum number 5, expressed in exponential form. So here 648, first we have to make it factor 648. That unit place number is even number, so we can divide this number by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Now 2. 2 1 is 2, 1 remain 12, 2 6 is 12, 2 is 4. 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2. Now 81. 81 is not divisible by 2, so we can divide by 3. 3 2 is 6, 2 remain 27, 3 7 is 27, 3 9 is 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, and 3 1 is 648. 1 2 3 times. 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Now 1 2 3 2 cube and 3 1 2 3 4 times 3 raised to 4. So this is exponential form of this 640. Same 405. 5 plus 4 9, that means this digit should be divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 remain 10, 3 threes are 9, 1 remain 15, 3 fives are 15. Again 3 fours are 12, 1 remain 15, 3 fives are 15. Again 3 ones are 3, 1 remain 3 fives are 15, 3 fives are 15, and 5 ones are 5. So here students we can observe that 4 0 5, 3 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 1 2 3 4, 3 raised to 4 and 5 1. Now this 540. So in this 540, first we will start from 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 remain 14, 2 7s are 14 and 0. 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6, 1 remain 10, 2 5s are 10. Again 3 4s are 12, 1 remain 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 1 remain 15, 3 5s are 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now 540 word 1 to 2 times, so we can write this square. 1 to 3 times, so 3 cube and 5 1 9. This exponential form of this number. Now 3600. 2 1s are 1 remain 16, 2 8s are 16, 0 0. 2 9s are 18, 0 0. 2 4s are 8, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10. Now 3 7s are 21, 1 remain 15, 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6, 1 remain, 3 5s are 15. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now 3600. 1 2 3 4. So 2 raised to 4, 1 2 3 square and 5 2 times 5. Now next. Now this sum number 6 simplify. First number 2 multiply 10 cube. That means we have to write 10 3 times. 2 10 cube means 10 3 times. 1 2 3. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2. And this 0 0 we have to put up. So this value, this simplification is 2000. Once again, 2 multiply 10 cube means we have to write 10 3 times. 1 2 3. Multiplication 2 10s are 20, 20 2s are 200, 10s are 2000. 7 square. 7 square means we have to write 7 2 times. 2 square 2 2 times. 7 square means 2 times 2 square 2 2. 7 7 are 49 and 2 2s are 4. Multiplication 49 multiply 4. 9 4s are 36 raised to 3. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 190. Clear? Now 2 cube multiply 5. So we have to write 2 3 times 1 2 3 and this 5. 5 2s are 10 2s are 20 2s are 40. Clear? Now 3 multiply 4. 4 times 1 2 3 4. Multiply 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 multiply 4 3s are 12. 12 4s are 48. 12 6s are 72 plus 4 76. 768. Now any number is divisible by 0, our answer always we get 0. So here 0 is multiplication with any digit, our answer is always 0. Don't do simplification and calculation, directly write 0 there. Because any number, keep in mind, any number simply multiplication with 0, our answer is always 0. Now this 5 square, so we have to write 5 times. 3 cube, 1, 2, 3. 5 5 is 25, 3 is 9 is 27. Now multiplication with 27 multiply 25. Okay. 7 is 14, 2 is 4 plus 1 plus 7 5 is and 5 is 10, 10 is 10 plus 6 13, 4 plus 3 6 17.